Today through this video we are going to learn that window type AC which is used in our home, how to do wiring of this AC. See, AC which we use, main component of this AC is compressor. Now when you look into this compressor, then there you will find 3 terminals for doing electrical connection. There is something written on these 3 terminals like C, S, R. C means common, S means starting and R means running. It means this compressor here, 2 windings are done in this compressor. Among these 2 windings, one winding is starting, second is running. Now starting winding here and running winding here, these 2 are connected at a point with each other. This terminal is known as common terminal. So these are the 3 terminals of the compressor. Now for protection of this compressor, one OLP is connected. Full form of OLP is overload protector. Work of this is, if somehow through this compressor high current starts flowing, then in this condition it stops the flow of current. That is, it will break the circuit. After this, to run this compressor, one capacitor is also required. Here we will use run capacitor. After this, in this AC, to sense temperature, one device is connected which is known as thermostat. Work of thermostat is, when cooling is maintained, then in this condition it turn off the compressor. That is, when room temperature is decreased, it turn off the compressor, and when room temperature is increased, then it instantly turn on the compressor. Now after this, in window AC, one fan motor is also installed. Friends, as you can see here, this fan motor here, from this fan motor 4 wires are coming out. Among these 4 wires, 3 wires are for speed. That is, this motor here, this is 3-speed motor. After this, remaining 1 wire is there for neutral power supply. We will talk about these 4 wires later also during the connection. Now as I told you, this fan here, this fan is of 3 speed. So to control the speed, we need one regulator also. So we will use a selector switch to regulate this fan. After this fan here, with this we have to connect a capacitor also. For connection of this capacitor, 2 more wires from this fan are coming out, which are different wires. We will understand about these wires also during the connection. After this, in window AC, there is a grill. To rotate this, for changing direction of flow of air, spin motor is there. This is our spin motor. To turn on and off this spin motor, one switch is there. So this is our air swing switch. Now to provide power supply to all of these, we will use a plug top of single phase. It means AC which we are using here, this is a AC which runs on single phase. Okay, then let's start doing the connection. First of all, this compressor here, to this compressor we will provide neutral power supply. To provide neutral power supply, this plug top here, from left hand side pin of plug top, connect a wire, and this OLP here provide input power supply to this. So we connected neutral power supply directly with OLP. Now second terminal of OLP here, from this terminal connect a wire, and in this compressor with common terminal connect this wire. Always remember, this compressor here, at common terminal of compressor we have to connect neutral power supply. Now after this swing motor here, to this motor also we have to provide neutral power supply. So from here we will provide neutral power supply to this. After this fan motor here, to this also we have to provide neutral power supply. So to provide neutral power supply to this, first of all you have to identify which one is the wire for neutral power supply. So for this I already made a video. In that video I explained very nicely that how to identify which wire is used for which purpose. I provided the link of this video in description. On clicking that link you can watch that video. Okay, then let's move forward. Friends, let us consider in this fan motor grey wire here, this is for neutral. So what we will do, from here connect a wire, and with grey wire connect this wire. That is, with the wire which is of neutral connect this wire. On this fan motor, here you can see a diagram is there. By referring to this diagram also, you can do the connection very easily. So friends, connection of neutral power supply is completed. Now we have to do connection of phase supply. For connection of phase supply, what we will do, in this plug top with right hand side pin connect a wire, and in this selector switch with phase terminal, I mean the terminal on which P is written, connect this wire. Here I wrote 0, with 0 terminal I connected this wire. Now after this, what we have to do, in this selector switch, according to position of selector switch, we have to control fan motor. That is, from one number terminal connect a wire, and in this fan motor with the lowest speed wire connect this wire with this wire. Here in this fan motor, red wire is for slow speed. So what I did, from one number terminal I connected a wire, and with this red wire I connected this wire. After this blue wire here, blue wire is for medium speed. So what we will do, from 2 number pin here connect a wire, and with this blue wire connect this wire. After this black wire is for high speed. So for high speed, from this 3 number terminal here connect a wire, and with black wire connect this wire. So in this fan motor, connection for all the 3 speed is done, and connection of neutral power supply is also done. Friends, this color coding which I told you here, you will find mostly this color coding only. But if you get a different color coding, then through multimeter you have to check first that which wire is for which use. After this fan motor here, we have to connect this fan motor with this capacitor. So for this you will get 2 more wires here. You have to connect these 2 wires with the capacitor. Overall, from this fan motor, 2 different cable is coming out. In one cable you will get 4 wires, and in one cable you will get 2 wires. Cable from which 2 wires are coming out, we have to connect capacitor with this, and cable from which 4 wires are coming out, we have to connect different speed wires with these. Okay, after this what we have to do, this selector switch here with 4 number terminal of this selector switch here connect one wire, and directly to this thermostat provide input power supply. Now after this thermostat here with second terminal of this connect one wire, and with this capacitor connect this wire. Here to this capacitor we provided input power supply. Now to the terminal at which we provided input power supply, from there only loop a wire, and in this compressor with running terminal, that is with R terminal, connect this wire. This means from this terminal connect a wire directly to R terminal. After this, in this capacitor here, from second terminal of this capacitor connect one wire, and with starting terminal connect this wire. Friends, connection of this compressor which I told you, this is of PSC type. PSC means permanent split capacitor. However, we can connect the compressor in many ways like PSC type, CSIR type, in CSR type. I told you connection by PSC type. Now friends, swing motor here, to this swing motor also we have to provide phase supply. For this what we will do, this plug top here from phase supply pin only or from 0 terminal of selector switch connect a wire, and to this switch provide input power supply. After this output terminal of this switch here, from this connect a wire, and to the swing motor connect phase supply. So friends, all the connections are now completed. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then do like, share and comment on this video. And if you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.